got a HD camera, which I feel it should say 4K, because the only other thing on this box is the sticker that says 4K Wi-Fi security camera. So there was no plastic on this, no tape, no nothing. It literally came this way from Amazon. Let's get the top off. There we go. Greeted at the top with a little manual telling you exactly how to do everything. Looks like it has pictures in all of it. I love that. 4K mini wireless camera. That seems to be the camera. We'll set that aside for a moment. That's just foam. And then this box should have some charging, maybe some mounting options. Let's see. All of the... So that's it for that little box. So we have an included micro USB cable. Looks to be pretty long, pretty nice. We have a flash drive. Is this a flash? Oh, this looks like it'll hold a micro SD card to read the footage. This seems to be part of the mount, as you can see. And yeah, so see, this would screw onto here, like so. Yeah, and then you can kind of position that however you need. And they actually just give you some 3M tape here to stick this to the side of something. And then that's it for the box. And then here, ooh, very sleek. Don't need that. Wow. That very interesting. So there's some buttons here on the bottom. Can't fully tell what's what, but that looks like the on-off button. You got a micro SD card slot there and the micro USB port there to charge it. And that's mainly it. Very, very unique. So it looks like these little clips on this clip into here and pushed into place correctly. Yep. So your camera would kind of sit something like that, of course, you know, depending how you want it. Wow, so very tiny. It says 4K, but in the end, this is a very unique little device here.